Hey guys, Nancy here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try something I've never tried before and I don't really know how it's gonna go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do my nails today. So these are currently my nails. Anyone who knows me knows I usually have a full set on. Miss Corona decided, she basically said that I was not supposed to have any, and I don't appreciate that. So the thing is I know stuff's opening back up. I personally will not be one of the people going to public places where lots of people have to sit for long periods of time. So my nails will not be getting done unless I can do them myself. Unless she said. So I follow Longhairprettynails. She's a black YouTuber who does nails. And I think I have basically everything she uses in this specific video. It's basically like a beginner friendly acrylics tutorial. So I figured let's start there. Let's do something like that and go from there. I won't be showing you guys exactly what I'm doing because there's a video that does what you're supposed to do, whereas this is more so me seeing if I can do it myself. So if you want the actual instructions on how to do acrylics for beginners, I will link her video down below, and then obviously if you're interested in seeing how I do my nails, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just going based off like what I remember from the salon. It just feels like so long ago. But I know I need brushes. I just went to the dollar store and got paintbrushes because did you know that acrylic brushes, like to do acrylic nails, are $30? $30 whole for one brush. I just spat. $30 whole for one brush. That's insane. And especially if I don't end up doing my nails or I don't like the experience, then I'm gonna stop and that $30 brush will be sitting here. So I just went to the dollar store, got paintbrushes. When Corona was happening, I stocked up on all things nails. So I already have forms, I already have acrylic powder, I have everything else. So the acrylic set that I bought actually is a dip powder set, which means you do like steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the polish. I tried this at the beginning of the pandemic and I didn't really like it. I didn't like the way that the different polishes smelled during each different step. Like it just, for me, wasn't enjoyable. And then the dip was very, very bumpy. Like it wasn't smooth. Maybe it was just me, my hands, maybe I need to be more patient with it. But I just feel like if the dip powder is acrylic powder, I think that I would have a better time using forms and using brushes to apply it rather than doing the dip and the step after step in the coats. I'm pretty sure everything I got off Amazon just because that was the easiest thing, and at the beginning of COVID I was stressed. So for the majority of the video I'm probably only gonna focus on my left hand, on my right hand, sorry, because if I can't do it on my right hand with my left hand because I'm right-handed, then there's no point. Like I'm not gonna keep going. If I do this hand and it's beautiful and then I get to this hand it's fucked up, then it's kind of like I did all this work for nothing. So if I do this hand first, then, you know? So I'm just gonna do all the prep stuff that she does right now really quickly. And then that way I'm not taking up a bunch of time because I know you guys don't really care about me prepping the nails. Oh, I'm so stupid. I was gonna put these on all my nails, then how was I supposed to do this on the other side? Wow. Signs, these are signs. This gets harder and harder as you have more forms on more nails. I don't really care about the shape of them because I'm not doing them this long. Like, I'm a beginner. Let me humble myself. Again, just doing what I've seen my nail tech do, which is get some paper towel for your brush. I think I'm gonna start with number 129 from the TOMICCA dip powder set. It is kind of brown, so it'll look neutral. I just feel like I have more of it than my clear, and if this ends up being a shitty set, I'd rather waste more of it than my clear. Like the thing is with paintbrushes compared to like the nail brush is it's obviously not as soft. Like I've seen my nail lady do nails many a time and I know it's not supposed to be this stiff as this brush, but it's fine. Okay, I think I got a bead. Oh, it's too wet. It's too wet. Abort, 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 abort. Maybe I could save this, maybe. Oh, this shit hardens like real fast, guys. Wow. That's why she's moving so fast. It's like working, but too wet. This is what we're working with so far. I'm so ashamed. Do they have something that they rinse brushes in? I can't remember. They're probably so good at it that they don't have to. Oh, a piece of the brush got stuck in my nail. Hold on, baby. This shit hardens fast. Oh my gosh, the things. Oh, it's going from bad to worse, guys. Hold on. Okay, now I understand why they spend the $30 on the brush. No need to explain any further. I think I have one nail, and it's not good. This is what we're looking at. Look at it. I'm honestly so ashamed, but I can't quit. Like, is that discipline? Also, this color is horrendous. It's not horrendous, it's probably just because it's bumpy that it looks so bad. But I mean, I feel like Monomer makes brush hairs fall out because I've never seen this many brush hairs before. What the heck? Okay, I'm giving up on the thumbnail. Now that it's like somewhat smooth, I'm like, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone and I'm gonna just try to file everything else out. And I also know I've used way too much monomer because my nail girl never has to fill up her thing, like maybe more than once. I'm like, one nail in, all the monomer gone. So nail number 2 is going better. Although I am having a hard time making beads. Like, it's not as easy as it looks. See how wet this shit is? I know that's not right. Oh, this thing stinks, man. Oh my gosh. How do they smell this like all day, every day? Some of my powder is too like dry. I didn't know that was a thing. Like, none of these nails are cute. Like, not one. I feel like this one is getting better, but last time I said the same thing. Spoke too soon. Okay. So these are my 3 nails. I don't even want them this long. It's just like, I just keep making them longer, hoping that it gets better. I'm really concentrating, but like the shapes of them look like this. Oh. Every time I'm like, this is the one that's gonna be better than the last. It's not. Like, how do they really get these fucking beads? Like, I really want to know. What is the secret? Well, first of all, this nail I left is not in leavable condition. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Can't wait to watch her some more.
Nails primer down before I place that first bead at the tip area.
What bead? What bead?
My natural nail.
How do you bead?
Very light patting strokes to pat the acrylic in place.
It's not working.
Whatever it takes to get the shape that I need.
I can't even get a bead.
That when I do forms, you don't want your acrylic to be too wet. Otherwise, you're going to be chasing it all over the form. So you kind of
been chasing it.
Where you place it, you kind of want it to stay there. So it just really takes practice working with that powder to liquid. So it's just when you put your acrylic down, you don't want it to move. You just want it to stay.
It's not staying.
Where you put it. And with sculpting nails, you just want to make sure that you're getting as close to that final shape that you want, so you don't have to do too much filing.
Finished look. Like, I can't. I don't know how it could get much better, so I'm just gonna stop. Like, I have attention to detail. I have all the qualities. Like, I should be able to do this. But I can't. Like, why can't I? Why is it so ugly? Like, a little ugly, sure, but this is like crazy. Okay. I think I'm done. Like, I honestly... like, I don't know how good they look on camera, but I definitely know they don't look great. Like this one, there's like a whole ass line of demarcation. I'm pretty sure all that comes after is like filing. Ooh.
This is after all of the acrylic is laid.
I'm gonna show you what mine look like and what hers look like. Oh, they touched. So these are my nails.
Take off the nail forms. I just pinch the sides and then I pull the nail form away from the nail. And then I remove the form from my finger.
Mine is so wet. My acrylic's too wet. I can't even do that. I just tried the thumbnail and it is like...
They are a little bit difficult to take off. But that's a good thing. You don't want your nail...
Guys. I'm trying to take these nail forms off. And look what happened to the thumbnail. And that was the one of the better ones. Fuck. But like, I'm literally like this. Look at this, look at this. Look, I'm trying to take the form off. The acrylic is not set. Oh my gosh. I'm so... I wish I could say I'm mad, but I'm not. I'm wondering if I should just take it off and start soaking them in friggin' acetone from now. Do I have even enough acetone? Oh my gosh, I didn't plan. I didn't have an escape plan. Yeah. I'm just gonna take this off. Cause I can't. Actually, hold on. Hold the phone. We might be able to do something with these. God knows my heart.
Just do mine.
Probably gonna take these off, but first I'm gonna file them. Like it is like, I don't know. It's like gummy. Yeah, this isn't gonna file. So even though this looks like somewhat decent and savable, the actual acrylic itself that was used is like not fileable. Like with the monomer, it's not hardening. Like it's harder than it was when I left, but like I can squeeze this and like it's malleable. So this is a no for me. I'm gonna try it. I'll maybe do another video as like a true dip tutorial. My understanding of dip powders is that it's basically acrylic powder. You're just applying it and adhering it differently. That was not the case for these. Obviously, I'm a newbie, so I was using a lot of monomer. So I'll try again, I'll come back to it. But for now, I won't be able to save this. This video is done. In conclusion, pay your nail tech, tip well, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up. Like, there's not much to watch. Like, I'm not a skilled professional. This was just me trying a thing. It didn't work out, but hey, you learn from your mistakes. Practice, I guess. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, number one. Questions, comments, or concerns, leave those in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it could one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!